The Ozark team presents this 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home with a 50 by 36 shop. This beautiful home has a lovely backyard with a large deck and a peaceful view on this 1-acre lot. This home is located on Robinson Point near Lake Norfork with convenient access to the Panther Bay Marina and the Henderson Marina. You'll love the home and the spacious shop. Let's join Heather Hendricks and Tracy Cox as they show us the home.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemack Realty with Tracy Cox with us today. Hello. And my partner John Schaub.
Hi there.
And today we are at 121 Robinson Loop here in Mountain Home, Arkansas. And lots of things going on with this home, Tracy. Lots of space and
great location.
Yes, it is. You're very close to Lake Norfork and just about 10-15 minutes from Walmart, restaurants, all of that.
Absolutely.
So, you ready to take a tour?
Yes, let's do it. Come on, John.
Go.
Well, hey, John.
Hey, Heather.
Hello.
Hey, Tracy.
Oh, I'm so excited to get to see this house.
I know, and believe it or not, this is your nice large dining room area with a wood-burning fireplace.
To be honest, I've always wanted a fireplace in my dining room. Eating dinner with
nice
a fireplace.
And cozy, yep.
Oh.
And you have sliding glass doors that lead out to your large deck out here that's been restained.
Nice.
And this opens up into the kitchen area, which is a very nice size. I like all of the cabinets, counter space. And you have a little breakfast bar right there. So, and all of the appliances are staying, your dishwasher and your electric range oven, microwave, and your refrigerator.
Lots of space. What's through here, Heather?
Well, you could use that as a pantry, as a mudroom. They have shelves put in here that, you know, I'm sure they had like canned foods maybe. And just right through here, you have a little doggy door that goes to a dog house that's outside in the little fenced in area. We'll see when we go out there.
I love that. The dog can go in and out into a fenced area and freedom.
And Tracy, this is a very large living room area, and without any furniture, I mean, you can see that there's endless possibilities. You could definitely have a big sectional in here.
Oh yeah.
You could kind of section it off too, where maybe you had like a little kids play area in one corner of the room.
Or if you had a gymnast in the family, they could just use this to practice their flips.
Exactly. This would be good for him.
Yes.
Your
huge room.
Yeah, even make that over there as a little office, so it's a little bit private.
Yeah.
And our side door here goes out to the workshop area. We'll go out there in a little bit. But it does have a nice screen door. I like the bay windows in here. All right, John, come in through here. And Tracy, what were you saying earlier that you'd like to put in this room?
I could just see this as like a formal little sitting family room.
Yeah.
Not family room, that would be more casual, but a formal living room.
Yeah. This would be really good. Even you could make this your little craft or office area too. There's a ton of possibilities with this home with all the large rooms. And I like the windows here that they go all the way down here to the floor. So if you have, you know, toddlers or pets, cats, you know, that like to look outside to the front yard.
And that's just more light that lets in too.
Exactly. Tracy, take us to the bedrooms.
All right, let's go this way. To the left here is the main primary bedroom.
This is a good size.
Yeah. And you've got the closets here all against the back wall. They're separated so they can be his and hers.
I like that. And you even have your very own half bath through here, John. And nice double pane windows once again.
They look like new windows. They're not the original windows at all, are they?
Nope, they've all been replaced.
Yeah. There's a guest bath here in the hall.
It's got a tub shower combo.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And next stop. A guest bedroom with the. Somebody probably want to paint it, I guess, if they moved in.
Yeah,
Wallpaper it or
very
whatever they
calming.
wanted to do.
Yeah. Blue is a calming color, so
Yeah.
you can make this your little library in here. That's what the bed lamp there reminds me of, is just, you know, something you'd have a little lamp in a library. So
Right.
back here you have your third bedroom here on the main level. And you have windows on each side.
And this is pretty much just a blank slate. You get to make everything your own.
Exactly.
What colors you want to do, what kind of flooring you want to do.
And that's the fun part of it.
Yes, make it your own. Where to next, Heather?
Well, we are gonna go down to the basement, which is just right off of the entryway and the dining room area. Well, hey John, you beat us down here.
See, oh, there she is.
She's coming.
Yeah, you got the bag.
Well, John, this has been used as a workshop area. So you have your built-in cabinets already here and that are staying with the home. And, you know, the previous owner had a ton of tools and everything set up neatly in here.
You know, a lot of people are into the quilting too. You know, that'd be
Yeah.
a great place to set up a quilting table.
It definitely would.
Many uses for down here.
And I like that you have sliding glass doors, so you have an outside entrance right here, John. And those doors have been replaced too. And
The cupboard, so easy to stand out there or sit out there and enjoy it, even in the rain.
And there's even space where you can, you know, back your truck up, or if you needed to unload or load things down here, it's easy to get to. And your washer and dryer are down here and they are staying.
That's good. You don't have to hear the washer and dryer running.
When you're enjoying dinner
Reading
or
or
sleeping.
yes.
We have some extensive water system here.
That's
It's on a well. There's the pressure tank, but it's got a Connectco reverse osmosis system and a water softener.
Yeah, all set up.
And a Marathon energy efficient water heater, and looks like there's also a recirculating pump. These are luxury additions to this home. You don't find those in any home.
That's right. And you have a little bonus room down here, and they used it as storage, but it, you know, you could use it as a bedroom. It doesn't have a closet, but could easily be put in. And John, they were in the process of putting a full bathroom down here.
It's all plumbed and ready, and just a little bit more work on that. And this is a bedroom with a full bath.
And like Tracy was saying, you know, make it your own.
it's waiting for the new owner to come finish it out.
Well, we should go take them to the shop. Hey, John.
Tracy?
Hey. I like that you have a sidewalk that leads right to your shop.
Look how huge this is. How many doors? 1, 2, 3, 4?
4 doors. And all of them except for one have the garage door openers.
Nice.
And the owner still has, you know, some of their stuff still in here, but I mean, you can see how much it holds.
Yeah.
I mean, this shop has a lot of great value in it. It's insulated, it has electric. You have some nice workbenches and cabinets over here to hold all of your things.
Plenty of room in here for any kind of project you'd want to do. Look at the electrical.
Cars, boats, maybe a small airplane.
Well, Tracy, would you think you could work on a motorcycle here?
I think you'd have enough room.
Well, there is a vintage Harley shovel head. Oh my!
Oh, goodness.
That's not going with these.
Very nice.
Yeah, this is a dream shop. Even with all the things that are in it, plenty of room. Wow, what a find! Yeah, how did you get this? This is amazing.
I know. And Tracy, here's that little dog pen area we were talking about earlier.
And I just love this. I love that the dog or the cat can come out and get some fresh air and do its business and go back in when it wants.
Exactly.
Animals like their freedom too.
They do. And you know, I could imagine this is the deck just right off of the dining room and kitchen area, so you could be out here grilling and you could set up your patio furniture, and it's
Very, very large deck.
it is. And I like how it's wooded around.
Beautiful view.
Well, Heather, now that we've toured this house, if anybody's interested in more information, where can they go to find out?
They can go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful property or to schedule a showing, contact the Ozarks team at enjoytheozarks.com.